Hi everyone, Jamie from Novesh here. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about OT, or Operational Technologies. You may be asking yourself, what is OT? Think of OT as the tech that powers the physical world. So we're talking about the systems that run factories and power plants, even smart buildings. Unlike IT that deals with data and software, OT deals with machinery and hardware. So it's the brains behind automated manufacturing lines and power grids and even traffic control systems. Why does it matter? Well, OT keeps our critical infrastructure running smoothly and safely. Without it, we wouldn't have the modern conveniences that we rely on every single day. But here's the catch. As OT becomes more connected to the internet, cybersecurity becomes a huge deal. Protecting these systems is crucial to avoid disruptions. And if you want to learn more about how to keep these systems safe, secure, and efficient, check out Novesh. And the next time you see a smart factory or a wind farm, just remember, that's OT in action.